Welcome to my Canva video editing tutorial. Today, we'll create an eye-catching Instagram reel. From start to finish, you'll learn animation tricks, transitions, and pro hacks that make your videos stand out. Let's start creating a video in Canva. First, choose your video format. I'm going with Instagram reel size. To make things easier, I'll search for a template. I typed biryani and selected the first one. The template is amazing. I plan to create 3 or 4 pages to keep the audience engaged. I duplicated 3 pages. On the first page, I deleted all unnecessary elements and text. Then, I moved the biryani image to the top. Here's a neat trick to hide anything. Add a rectangle, remove its color, and group it with the image. This makes hiding or revealing elements super easy. Now, let's add our text hook. I typed "Royal Taste of." Duplicate it to create the finish line text, South India. Add "Introducing" in front for a perfect sentence and adjust the spacing. Next, let's animate the text. Start with "Introducing" using Clarify for a cinematic interstellar text reveal. Animate "Royal Taste" with a pan from the right. Animate "South India" with a pan from the left. Order your animations carefully, one by one, to avoid clutter. Check the output. Interesting, right? I deleted the second page and decided to duplicate the first page. You'll see why later. On this duplicated page, move all text slightly down. Drag the hidden biryani image to partially reveal it. Add a rotate animation to the biryani. Now for the magic. Hover between the 2 pages, click the transition button, and select Match and Move. This makes your animations flow seamlessly between slides. I noticed an issue on the second page. The text order was off, and some animations were unnecessary. I removed the extra animations and reordered the text. Now it looks perfect. For the third slide, remove the biryani image. Copy the second slide's image to use with Match and Move. Replace small text with chicken and move it above the biryani text. Replace 50% off with virand. My imaginary brand, group the elements and text. Then add animations one by one, just like before. Now here's an extra trick. Add your brand logo to the third slide, but keep it hidden for now using the same rectangle trick. We'll reveal it in the fourth slide using Match and Move. On the final slide, Virundi H text, slogan, and a book a table CTA. Reorder animations carefully here too. Look at the result. Fantastic, right? But wait, something's missing. Background music. Canva has a great music library. I picked up beat music, added a fade out to avoid sudden stops, and synced it to the beat. Now watch the full video. Simply wow! Congratulations! You're officially a video editor. With these simple steps, you can create engaging reels for any project. I hope this tutorial is useful for your personal projects or client work. Did you learn something new about video editing? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.